Anastasia.
We are going to prepare a tuna fish pizza.
We need several ingredients.
So, ingredients for the dough: 500 grams of flour, 3 spoons of olive oil, 10 grams of yeast, a bit of salt, and warm water.
Now the ingredients for the topping. Slices of red onion, 250 grams of mozzarella, 250 grams of mushrooms, 250 grams of cherry tomatoes, and red and yellow pepper, tuna fish, tomato sauce, oregano, 100 grams of olives, 100 grams of sweet corn, 2 spoons of grape oil, salt, and pepper.
Okay, and now for the dough. Step 1, we put the yeast on the flour. We add the salt and we mix. Step 2, we make a small dip area where we put the olive oil together with the warm water. Step 4. When the dough is done, we put it on the board and we mix it 15 minutes more. And then we will put the dough in a deep plate together with a little bit of olive oil so that it shall grow around 30 minutes.
And now the topping. Step 1. Once the dough is grown, lay it on the tray. Step 2. We add the tomato sauce together with the herbs, the olive oil, and the salt.
Step 4, and we put the fish and the yeah. On top comes the potatoes and green tomatoes.
When the tray is done, put it in the oven until the tuna fish pizza is baked.
Enjoy our side. It is really tasty.